Hello, good morning. In this video, I want to discuss about an article regarding the cabinet approval in the market intervention scheme for the procurement of the apples in the Jammu Kashmir Union Territory for the year of 2021. In this video, the Union Cabinet, I want to discuss about the thing that is main important aspect, that is MIS market intervention scheme, MIP market intervention price, MSP minimum support price, and all regarding basics involved in this procurement of this market intervention schemes and other things. The procurement of apples will be done by the Central Procurement Agency, which is NAFED. The Central Procurement Agency is NAFED, National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation Limited. This is the Central Procuring Agency. Through the state designated agency, here the state designated procurement agency is the JKHPMC, that is Jammu Kashmir Horticulture Processing and Marketing Cooperation. This is the state procurement agency. The Central Procurement Agency, NAFED, can undertake the procurement of any seeds, oil seeds, or any vegetables or any other things, procures with the help of the state procurement agency, state procuring agency. In this way, the NAFED will procure the apples with the help of the Jammu Kashmir Union Territory procuring agency, that is the Jammu Kashmir Horticulture Processing and Marketing Cooperation, directly from the apple farmers of the Jammu Kashmir. This state agency can procure, and the payment will be done through the DBT, that is direct benefit transfer into the bank account of the apple farmers. Nearly 12 lakh million tons of the apples can be procured under the scheme. This is the all about this scheme. And other things are, the NAFED will utilize government guarantee of 2,500 crores for this operation. This is not important. If any loss will occur, this loss will be incurred, that is shared by both the central government and the UT administration of the Jammu Kashmir on the 50-50 basis. If any loss will be occurred in this procuring of the apples, thus that loss burden will be shared by the both the state government and the Union Territory of Jammu Kashmir government. Both the things will be taken apart. And other things are this all about the important aspects regarding this procurement. And what left other things are, let's see. The other thing we want to know is one of the statutory body, that is the National Agriculture Cooperating Marketing Federation of India, that is NAFED. It is an apex organization of the central government regarding the market cooperatives, agriculture produce in India. This is the Central Procurement Agency regarding the market cooperations, agriculture produce in India. And it was founded on the birthday of the Mahatma Gandhi on October 2, 1958. It was established in 1958 and promote trade of agriculture produce and the forest resources in the country. And it is registered under the Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act. This is the important. It is registered under the Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act. It is one of the largest procurement agency in the India for the agriculture products. It has the headquarters in the New Delhi, and it has 4 regional offices. Along with the regional offices, there will be 28 zonal offices in the capital of states and important cities. In the capital cities of the states, 28 zonal offices and regional 4 regional offices. Where are these 4 regional offices? Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata are there. And it is a NAFED is a nodal agency in the implementation of price stabilization measures under the Operation Greens. This Operation Greens is a project which aims to double the farmers' income by 2022. And it physically involves in the procurement of, NAFED physically involves in the procurement of oil seeds, pulses, copra under the price support scheme, which in turn cover under the umbrella scheme of PM ASHA. In 2008, under the NAFED, National Spot Exchange was established and a commodity exchange established as a joint venture of Financial Technologies India Limited. These are the some of the important things regarding the NAFED. Let's see the other things. Here, other important thing is the Market Intervention Scheme. What all about this Market Intervention Scheme or MIS? Before discussing this Market Intervention Scheme, let's go into the some of the basics, that is minimum support price. What is all about the minimum support price? Minimum support price is an instrument of agriculture price policy. Here the two schemes are there and the two prices are there. What are the two schemes means? Agriculture price policy is the one scheme and minimum intervention scheme, market intervention scheme is the other scheme. And what are the two prices means? The first price is the minimum support price and the second is the, as we discuss later, market intervention price. Let's first discuss about the minimum support price. The minimum support price is one of the instrument of the AAP, that is agriculture price policy, and it is the basic intent of this MSP is before the sowing of the season, seed sowing season, before the farmers take a sowing decision keeping in mind that if they are not able to get the reasonable price, for this the MSP will intervene here. The government can provide a minimum support price to support the farmers procurement sowing of the seeds in that sowing season. For that purpose the MSP was introduced by the government of India. What all this MSP will make? Before the sowing season the price was fixed for a particular crop or particular seeds. That's why it is the fixed price. MSP is a fixed price. Before the sowing of the season the price is fixed by the procuring agency. This is the minimum support price. Next, coming to the market intervention price. Next, coming to the market intervention price. This market intervention price under the market intervention scheme. What is this all talk about is the Department of Agriculture and Cooperation is implementing this scheme of market intervention scheme. Under the market intervention scheme, a predetermined quantity is fixed at minimum market intervention price procured by the NAFED as the central agency. Predetermined quantity is fixed, not the price, only how much quantity it will take. Suppose 12 million tons or 13 million tons of apple or rice, that's the quantity they will predetermine. They will procure that predetermined quantity fixed before the NAFED. The NAFED is the central agency in the market intervention price. There are other agency designated by the state government through which the help, through this state government designated agencies help, the NAFED will procure these seeds. And Thus, what is the basic difference between the market intervention price and minimum support price is, in market intervention price, the quantity of the procured product is fixed. Whereas in minimum support price, the price the price given by the government to the farmers is fixed before the sowing season. This is the basic difference. Next, coming to the market intervention scheme. What is the market intervention scheme? Let's discuss about it. Market intervention scheme is a price supporting mechanism implemented on the request of the state governments. Remember this, the market intervention scheme is implemented on the request of the state government for procurement of perishable and horticulture commodities, even the agriculture commodities, in the event of the fall of the market prices. If there is shortfall of the market prices, there is a sudden decrease in the prices of these horticulture commodities in the market. In such a situation, the state government can make a request to the central government to procure the commodities. In such a situation, the market intervention scheme remains place. It is implemented when there is at least 10% increase in the production of that commodity in that season. Production of that commodity, 10% increase is there, or otherwise 10% decrease in the ruling rates over the previous year. 10% ప్రొడక్షన్లో పండించే కమోడిటీ ప్రొడక్షన్లో 10% పెరిగినట్లయినా లేదా ప్రీవియస్ నార్మల్ ఇయర్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే 10% రేట్లు తగ్గిపోయినా, ఈ రెండు సిచ్యువేషన్స్లో మాత్రమే మార్కెట్ ఇంటర్వెన్షన్ స్కీమ్ అనేది పనిచేస్తుంది అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్, వర్క్స్ అనే సిమిలర్ ఫేషన్ టు మినిమం సపోర్ట్ ప్రైస్. మినిమం సపోర్ట్ ప్రైస్ మాదిరిగానే ప్రొక్యూర్మెంట్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది ఫుడ్ గ్రెయిన్స్, కాకపోతే ఇదొక అడ్ హాక్ మెకానిజం అనమాట. ఇట్స్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టు ప్రొటెక్ట్ ద గ్రోవర్స్ ఆఫ్, ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఏమంటే గ్రోవర్స్ ఆఫ్ హార్టికల్చర్ అండ్ అగ్రికల్చర్ కమోడిటీస్ డిస్ట్రెస్ సేల్ నుంచి ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేయడం. ఎప్పుడైతే క్రాప్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఉన్నటువంటి పెరిగిపోయినా లేదా రేట్ అనేది పడిపోయినా, ఇన్ సచ్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ అండర్ ద ఎంఐఎస్ సపోర్ట్ కెన్ బి ప్రొవైడెడ్ ఫర్ సమ్ ఇయర్స్. ఎంఐఎస్ కింద, మార్కెట్ ఇంటర్వెన్షన్ స్కీమ్ కింద సపోర్ట్ అనేది కొన్ని డిఫరెంట్ స్పెసిఫిక్ పీరియడ్కి ఎంఐఎస్ అనేది సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది, కొంత టైం మాత్రమే, స్పెసిఫై చేసినటువంటి క్వాంటిటీస్ మాత్రమే పర్చేస్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. ఇది స్టేట్ ఇంటర్వెన్షన్తో మెయిన్గా నడుస్తుంది అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ చూసుకున్నట్టయితే ఇంకా మిగిలిన ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ ఏమంటే దీంట్లో, వాట్ ఆర్ ద కమోడిటీస్ కవర్ అండర్ దిస్ market intervention scheme are apples, garlic, oranges, grapes, mushrooms, clove, black pepper, pineapple, ginger, red chilies, coriander, seed, chicory, onions, potatoes, cabbage, mustard seed, castor seed, copra, palm oil, etc. There is no importance of remembering all this, just have an idea, that's all. Next, remuneration under market intervention scheme. It provides for remunerative prices to the farmers in case of glut in the production or fall in the prices, as we discussed earlier. The proposal of the MIS is approved on the specific request of the state's government or the UT government, as discussed earlier. If there is loss incurred, 50% loss will be beared by the state and 25% loss beared with respect to the northeastern states. If any loss incurred in its implementation, further the total amount of loss shared is restricted by 25% in the total procurement value. This is all about the market intervention scheme.